If you need to add custom HTML code into your Weebly website, I have got you covered. I'm going to show you how easy it actually is to do so. Let's dive in. So let's go over here in our Weebly website editor, and on the left hand side we are going to look for embed code, and this is where we can add our HTML custom code. So you're going to click down on the element or on the block on the left hand side, and you're going to drag it to a position that you want it in. The blue lines will indicate where it's going, and hereafter you can actually still move it about. So hover your cursor over that block and put it just over here. Your cursor will change and you can move it about. Now once you click on it, you can see you'll change the position. Let's make it center, and then you can edit custom HTML. Right over here you are going to add in your code and just click away. You have now added that code right in over here. I've just made a simple red pill, blue pill for an example. And of course, you can go ahead, click on it, and you can continue to customize that.